Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
कामान कामयते काम है यदर्थमिह पुरुषः सवै देहस्तु पारख्यो भंगुरो याति उपैति च. The living entity desires comforts for his body and makes many plans for this purpose, but actually the body is the property of others. Indeed, the perishable body embraces the living entity and then leaves him aside. Very nice words. Embraces and leaves him aside. So much we become attached to the body. Separation from body is so painful. We were reading that when Venkata Bhatta, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left Venkata Bhatta, he fainted. So much attachment to Lord Chaitanya. But somehow, for us, Jivana Marana is this material body. Material body embraces the living entity and it leaves it, and we feel so much pain. And we do not see this material body is not living, it's dead. That's why it is said, we are so much in illusion, this is spiritual body. Abhi bhi hum koi bhrama ya spiritual body. Therefore, it is again and again, it is explained to you, it becomes ash. When it becomes ash, jab log chalate hain. That's why some devotees said, they say, we don't get evidence on earth about, because according to the Vedas, life was there on earth since ever. All the species are together. So we don't disagree that there were so many living entities previously, we agree. But man was also there. But then they say we don't find evidence. Yeah, because it is burnt. Evidence kya milega aapko? Whole earth was covered by Vedic culture. And they get such rare instances of, they have got some specimens where there is one devotee who has written a book, Forbidden Archaeology, Dhute Karma. They have got some evidences of human specimens which are very old. Well, they are in a layer of millions of years old, but it is so rare. They think it is by some fluke, somebody insert, but they don't find it in large number. But you will not find a large number because it was burned. It's logical. So they cannot dispute. Therefore, always this empirical knowledge is speculative. So anyway, our body is there. There's so much attachment to the body, but body becomes ash when you burn it. कुछ लोग उसको जला देते हैं, कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, दफना देते हैं. And when you do that, what happens? The insect, worms eat it and it becomes earth. It becomes part of earth. Right? And then some people, they throw the body to be eaten by vultures. Then body comes out as the stool of the vulture. So the body has three destinations: ash, earth, and stool. तो शीशे में अपना चेहरा देखते हो, देखने का तीन चीज इसका बनने वाला है. या तो राख बनेगा, या मिट्टी बनेगा, या टट्टी बनेगा. Then you will be little. So, but it's not. बोलना आसान है, भी बहुत तपस्या लगेगी to come out. When you have to get mercy of Lord Chaitanya. आकाश पुष्पायते, तिदश पूरा आकाश पुष्पायते. So much heavenly pleasure जो हम enjoy करना चाहते हैं शरीर के साथ. All material pleasures, you need the material body. और जितने भी आपके बड़े बड़े प्लान हैं, आकाश पुष्पायते looks like a meaningless flower in the sky. But therefore, we have to very attentively chant every day. Actually, we know where we are situated. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ दूसरे को तो मालूम नहीं, अपने को तो मालूम होता है कहाँ है अभी, करेक्ट। ध्यान से नाम जप करना चाहिए, ध्यान से आचार्य का किताब पढ़ना चाहिए, तो यू विल कम आउट ऑफ दिस। वी नो हाउ मच डिजीज इज स्टिल इन आवर हार्ट, हाउ मच। ध्रुव महाराज व्हेन ही वाज आस्क्ड बाय कुबेरा, क्या ब्लेसिंग चाहिए, ये ब्लेसिंग चाहिए इसको निकालो इधर से गंदगी को, करेक्ट। यही आशीर्वाद चाहिए हमको, if we can remember Krishna and this kachara can come out of the heart. So anartha nivritti, so much we know it is illusion, but still it harasses us. Kamesha krodesha rajoguna samudbhavaha mahashano mahapatma vidhiyema vivarena, the enemy of a living entity, and it is there dragging the living entity. Even though he is aware, Arjuna asked this question, we know it is wrong, but still we do something wrong. Why? कामेशा क्रोध है, फिर रजोगुण तमोगुण अभी आपको घसीट रहे हैं, आप जानते हो, थ्योरेटिकली जानते हो, बट दर्शन इज टेक्स टाइम. So this is Prahlad Maharaj is giving realized statements, and that is body का value क्या है? We get so much attached to the family, relatives, society, friendship and love divinely bestowed upon man. प्रॉपर जी हमेशा हंसते थे इस स्टेटमेंट पे, एक स्टेटमेंट बना हुआ है, सोसाइटी फ्रेंडली एंड लव डिवाइनली बेस्टोर्ड अपॉन मैन. प्रॉपर से नो, इट्स इल्यूजन. So we should not relate to anybody out of duty. Out of duty. We can relate. Now आज क्लास में सुन लिया. So we have no relation. My dear daughter, you're all material body. No. Duty. Correct? In connection with Krishna, through Krishna, not directly duty also. Through Krishna, a duty. Krishna has given me a duty. Then actually it is very nice. Because there is no point in standing on illusion. जैसे कभी कभी होता है ना, रात को उठते हैं और स्वप्न बड़ा अच्छा था या फिर से सो जाते हैं. कभी कभी स्वप्न भयानक आता है. करेक्ट. People are all after you. People want to kill you. Now you have to hide from people. You have done such funny activity. अभी आपने ऐसा काम कर दिया है कि दुनिया में अपना मुंह दिखाने लगे. ये स्वप्न में क्या क्या चलता रहता है. You get strange kind of dreams. So sometimes the dream is very good. Then what we want? And we will sleep little more. So लोग स्वप्न से उठना नहीं चाहते. आप उनको ये सब भी बताओ. They want the dream to continue. थोड़ा ये स्वप्न चलता रहे, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. कभी कभी होता है ना, अच्छा स्वप्न, लोग आपकी पूजा कर रहे हैं, आपको मानव पूजा प्रतिष्ठा में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा और सोते हैं. आप राजा बन गए, सब लोग ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, ताली बजा रहे हैं, आप बहुत खुश हैं. तो ये सब स्वप्न आते रहते हैं. तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है स्वप्न चलता रहे. नहीं, देयर इज नो पॉइंट टू लिव इन इल्यूजन. वी शुड ऑलवेज लिव इन ट्रुथ. सो भागवतम ऐसा नहीं है पेसिमिस्टिक है, भागवतम रियलिस्टिक है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं क्या आप लोग मृत्यु की बात करके लोगों को डरा के पैसा इकट्ठा करते हो. somebody is telling me, आप लोग क्या करते हो, लोगों को डराते हो, मृत्यु आ जाएगी, डरा के उनसे पैसा ले लेते. क्या है पैसा तुम्हारा, सब चला जाएगा, दिन हमको दे दे. So we do like this, but it's not true. We are telling the truth to people, and if they give their money to Krishna, it is definitely good. They are going to use that money for sense gratification. What's wrong if they use it for glorifying Krishna? So that way, it's not wrong. Okay, so death is actually very fearful. Prabhupada gives an example of two people. One is a rat, one is a cat. बहुत simple example है, then we'll expand this. When चूहा बिल्ली पकड़ती है तो चूहे को कैसा लगता है, जैसे अभी मृत्यु के दांत उसको पकड़े, बहुत भयभीत रहता है. और जब बिल्ली की माँ अपने छोटे बच्चे को पकड़ती है, उसको माँ का प्यार लगता है. सो भक्त को मृत्यु के समय, हमारे लिए नहीं, महान भक्त के लिए, जिसने कृष्ण का टोटल शरण ले लिया है, उसको मृत्यु से कोई भय नहीं लगता. उसको उसमें भी कृष्ण की सुरक्षा लगती है. कोई भी सिचुएशन, ही सीज दैट कृष्णाज मर्सी, सो इज वेरी हैप्पी. एनी सिचुएशन. ठीक है, कितना वंडरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म इट इज. देयर इज भागवतम में डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ध्रुव महाराज डेथ, सो कॉल्ड डेथ. सो ध्रुव महाराज जो अपना शरीर छोड़ना चाह रहे थे, तो उस समय वैकुंठ विमान आ गया। उनका जब तपस्या कर रहे थे, जब सब लोग वनप्रस्थ जाते थे, वहाँ तपस्या कर रहे थे आश्रम में। श्री श्री राधा गोविंद की, श्री श्री गौर निताय की, श्री प्रभुपाद की. So he was doing tapasya, and then Vaikuntha Vimana came, and all of them were looking at him. अरे, so Prabhupada ji बोलते हैं, he was not proud. He started circumambulating first the Vaikuntha Vimana, because that is also not ordinary, and all the residents are there, all Vaikuntha Vasis. And then after that, all the sages are there in the ashram. Prabhupada said, no ahankar. That's the mark of a devotee. He takes obeisance of everybody. Please bless me. Even though उसका तो हो गया भाई, अब क्या आपको आशीर्वाद लेने का होता ना, इस दुनिया में क्या चलता है, गुरु मार विद्या, है ना. प्रॉपर जी एग्जाम्पल देते हैं, जब सीढ़ी आप यूज़ करें, कहीं चढ़े गए, फिर सीढ़ी का काम है सीढ़ी फेंक दो. एक बारी प्रॉपर जी चल रहे थे भक्तों के साथ, सो सम डिफिकल्ट एरिया दे हैव टू, he was giving instruction every minute. So one disciple, he had to hold, to cross. Old people generally, when something tough area is there, they have to hold. They can't balance themselves. So Prabhupada was holding some disciple. Then they crossed. Prabhupada left his hand. Ho gaya. Now I don't need you. So I don't need Guru now. Ho gaya. I've crossed. He was always alert to tell an instruction. So generally in दुनिया में क्या होता है, people have material ambitions. We have so much desires. We use everybody. Just like we gave an example, drug addict steals from the pocket even of his father. He's mad. So we are also mad. We are actually so much, our mind is agitated for sense gratification. We do not even have a sanity what I am doing. We are just using the whole world for our sense gratification. That's all. Only thing we are expert in sense gratification. Daksha is also expert in sense gratification. And he can produce so many children. So now what happens is that the Dhruva Maharaj, he takes blessings of all the Vaishnavas very humbly, and is approaching the Vaikuntha Vimana. When he's approaching the Vaikuntha Vimana, at that moment, Mrityu Purusha comes running towards him, and he pays obeisance to him. And Dhruva Maharaj puts his leg on his head and climbs the Vaikuntha Vimana. So nicely is personifying the death for a devotee. Correct? How simple? He gives his blessing to the death and he walks on the Vaikuntha Vimana. So the giving up the body, he has to give up the body. You cannot go to Vaikuntha Vimana in this body. You have to give up. But it became so easy for him. Kept his leg on that person. Take it. Le jao your body. So it's so nice. Okay, so Krishna consciousness, Prabhupada says, is there anything more auspicious than Krishna consciousness? Prabhupada sometimes says, Krishna consciousness is a boon for the human society. It's a boon. मतलब इससे बड़ा boon नहीं है society में. What can be better than this? That the material body is there. Now we can understand this body is temporary. Prahlad Maharaj gives a very important instruction. Kaumaram acharet pragno dharman bhagavatam iha dullabam anusham janma. This much you understand? In a human form of body, childhood used to start anything he needs. Kaumaram acharet pragno dharman bhagavatam iha dullabam manusham janma. He says human body is dullabha, very rare. Tadapi adhruvam arthadam. Even though it is temporary, it is arthadam. It's very, very valuable. Bahut is valuable. It's not that we see this body will become ash, tool and whatever. I don't take care. No. Arthadam. It's very valuable. It's temporary, but it's valuable. Just like we have car. It's temporary, but it's valuable. No, you use it for. Your car is not going to last forever. We use for 5 years, maximum 10 years. But when the time it is there, it is valuable. Just like your mobile. They don't work more than 2-3 years. After that, they have problems. So, but still it is valuable. You use it very carefully. You take care of it. So we should take care of the body till it is there with us. But at the same time, we should not become attached, because there is no guarantee what is going to happen. It is all tubes and veins and all kind of things inside. Any time some balance goes, you may have excruciating pain. Just like recently we had one of our congregation leaving the body. You may have excruciating pain. She got cancer and cannot eat for last 4-5 months. Excruciating pain you may experience. This bundle of bones, tissues, veins, just a bag, thali. So it may give you excruciating pain any moment. And you should know, therefore, in a detached way, I am not this body, and this body to which I am so attached, and to the people who are related to this body I am so attached. There was once in Bombay, Prabhupada ko they took to some life member के घर में ले गए. कोई लाइफ में बताया, कोई बहुत सेठ प्रभुपाद जी कुछ शिष्यों के साथ बैठे थे, तो एक के बाद एक पूरा खानदान लेके आया. ये मेरी बीवी है, आशीर्वाद. नेक्स्ट, ये मेरा पहला बेटा है, ये दूसरा बेटा है, तीसरा बेटा है, ये मेरी चौथी बेटी है. उसके बाद ये मेरे बेटे की वाइफ है, ये वो सब. फिर चला गया. तो प्रभुपाद जी लुक्ड एट द डिसाइपल्स. प्रभुपाद सेड, उसने बोला, दिस इज माय सेक्स लाइफ. In the sense that he is so attached to the bodily paraphernalia, he is not able to understand that this is not actually the highest platform. Very interesting. So situation is that we are so attached to the bodily platform, okay, that attachment is going to hamper my spiritual advancement. Dehatma buddhi, it will going to lead to aham mameti. Atagriya kshetra sutapte vitte janasya mohem aham mameti. Aham mameti will going to lead to, actually this will become an, Prabhupada says in Bhagavad Gita that we are attached to the body and we are attached to so many things related to the bodily enjoyment. Become so attached. It takes actually lot of इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. बहुत इंट्रोस्पेक्शन चाहिए होता है समझने में कि दुनिया में जितना भी अटैचमेंट है, समथिंग आई एम गेटिंग आउट ऑफ इट, देयरफॉर आई एम अटैच्ड. कृष्णा से जो अटैचमेंट होता है ना, नथिंग यू आर टेकिंग आउट, दैट इज नेचुरल. जस्ट लाइक लोहे का मैग्नेट की तरह अटैचमेंट, दैट इज नेचुरल. व्हेन प्रहलाद महाराज को पूछा गया था, भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो ये सब, उनके षंडा एंड अमर कास्ट, यू शुड बी लाइक सबकी तरह, आप ये सब सीखो, धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष, कैसे राजा बनना है ये सब आप सीखो, कैसे राजा के अलग अलग कार्य सीखो. आपको तो पूरा दिन मन हरे कृष्ण, ये क्या हो रहा है. सो प्रहलाद महाराज बोले ऐसा है. एनीवे, तो प्रहलाद महाराज को जब उनके पिताजी के पास ले गए थे, ही स्पोक अबाउट डिवोशन टू विष्णु. सो हिज फादर हिरण्यकशिपु फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट वाज लिटिल अपसेट. सो ही टोल्ड तो षंडा नमर का कि देखो भाई इसको क्या हो गया, बच्चे का दिमाग खराब कर दिया किसी ने. He didn't take it very seriously first time. So they brought to the Gurukul and they asked प्रहलाद महाराज, क्या है भाई, ये बाकी बच्चे तो ऐसी चीज़ नहीं करते, तुम्हें किसने सिखाया ये सब चीज़. बोला ऐसा है, जैसे लोहा मैग्नेट की तरफ जाता है, मेरा दिल ऑलरेडी कृष्ण के चरण में है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. You understand? The devotee when he get attached to Krishna, he cannot take it away. So that should be our ambition in life. जिंदगी का लक्ष्य हमारा वो होना चाहिए, to become attached like that. But if we get attached to the body, try to understand it is an illusion. Try to understand that. We are using this body. Definitely we'll use this body to serve Krishna. Like the 0 and 1, the body is useless. But when you put Krishna, it gets some value. Similarly, relationship is also useless. But you connect it to Krishna, it becomes useful. It becomes value. Just like Grihas Admi. It's not Maya. We have seen some houses, बहुत अच्छा है. went to somebody's house, and how he is so far away in Bangalore, he cannot visit any temple. Those days. Now he's in a better place. So I saw in his house morning, everybody has a duty. His mother has to clean the altar, his father has to do this. Everybody he had given seva, just like in a temple we have, correct? So that is not illusion, because everybody is serving Krishna, correct? The connection is also very nice. But if it is not, and then the relationship is also not through Krishna, because they're all happily. Generally what happens, घर में क्या होता है, जो बुजुर्ग लोग होते हैं उनका कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता, क्या है बैठा. But no, he had some work to do. See, in serving Krishna, my attachment is to Krishna. If anybody does anything, it is so nice. So his father also, even though he was very aged, was doing something. He had given, assigned to him something. आपको तुलसी लाना, आपको ये करना. Everybody had, and he was doing what he could do. And it was such a nice family. So much happiness I could find. Generally there will be so much difficulty, so much happiness. Because whatever it is somehow, and he didn't have a child. Generally क्या होता है, घर में अगर बच्चा नहीं हो तो बड़े दुखी रहते हैं. He was not unhappy, he was very happy. He took it as will of Krishna, and whatever he had, he engaged in Krishna's service. So even though आप लोग उसको attachment बोलोगे, वो attachment नहीं रहा ना. It became double-tailed for Krishna's service. So it is so nice. So we can, in that way, we can look that the body is temporary. Adruvam arthadham make it. But in this world, the relationship that we have, it is like monkey, one person scratching another's back. It requires a lot of introspection. Yesterday I saw somebody wrote in his profile, लिखते ना WhatsApp पे सब लोग एक line लिखते हैं. Say people remember you only when they want something out of you. True? It is true. कोई याद किया, Hare Krishna, how are you? कुछ चाहिए इसको. That's so common. But that's fine, it's fine. And it will require, like she got an introspection. क्या introspection मिला? कि लोग आपको तब याद करते हैं जब आपको उनको कुछ चाहिए होता है आपसे. Correct? Actually, it is true. If you deeply see in this material world, if the relationship is not spiritual, material means it is like that only. Therefore, Krishna says, bhakti is only to Vishnu. There is no other bhakti. Desh bhakti, other bhakti, that bhakti is not true. True? Only bhakti is, even Devata bhakti. You cannot say I have Devi bhakti. No, not possible. I have Ganesh bhakti, I have Ayappa bhakti. Not possible. Only bhakti is to Vishnu, because only Vishnu can give you spiritual happiness. Other places when you worship Devatas, there is something you are going to get. Therefore you are attached. You understand? कुछ आपको चाहिए. Therefore Krishna declares in Bhagavad Gita what? Kamas tastir hitagyana yajante anya devataha. That we go to some devata when we have some personal desire. You can say, no, I don't want it. Not possible. Because there is nothing else they can give you. Devata cannot give you spiritual happiness. Agree? That is not their power or attorney. That is not delegated to them. They can give you Dhanam Dehi, Putram Dehi, 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 Dehi. Correct? That's what Devi we ask. क्या बोलते हैं? Dhanam Dehi, Putra, Yasham Dehi. You're done? Devi Puja? What they ask? They ask, no. Straight away, openly they ask. The puja itself has that. You cannot say that it's not there. But Vishnu worship can be done without any desire. So when you worship Krishna, when you worship Vishnu, basically there is nothing to ask. That is the highest platform.